We're crazy. We're back here. We're doing Tokyo Disneyland.
Day 2. We made it in. It's so bright.
Quick tip, we ordered our tickets via Klook, not on the website. We had a few issues on the website, so we ordered via Klook. And as you've seen, works perfectly fine.
Every single time.
This is so different than any other Disney park, would you say? Because they don't call it Main Street USA, they call it World Bazaar.
Apparently,
It looks very similar.
it looks very similar, yeah.
This is what we're in. We're in a greenhouse. Yeah. Kind of getting nowhere fast.
I'm ready, let's go.
Okay. They got the castle behind us, it looks beautiful.
It
Do you
does.
agree?
And the tulips everywhere.
Yeah, all the flowers. It's just so nice and colourful here. Who?
Hello!
You want a photo?
Yeah, keep a distance.
Thank you. There's a parade about to happen right now, and that's what everyone's queuing over there for. I'm getting flashbacks to yesterday now. The queues look mental.
2 hours.
Splash Mountain?
Splash Mountain, over there.
Over there? Oh, you saved me. Thank you very much. Arigato. Come on, Patricia. We got in the wrong queue line. Trying to get past everyone's a bit of a nightmare. But everyone here is so polite and kind, so it makes it easier.
75 minutes.
75, oh, that's alright.
That sounds bad, 75 minutes.
Yeah, we can do 75. I can already hear the music and it sounds so good.
I don't like that screaming.
Turn it upside down, and soon you'll find your future say. Everybody's gonna laugh and
Bye bye everybody. Bye bye. That's good, isn't it? How was your very first time and experience on Splash Mountain?
It was pretty cool.
We're about to head off to Beauty and the Beast. It's a new ride and a new land they did here. Don't have a clue what it's about, but my guess is the queue's gonna be massive, like this. And that is not Beauty and the Beast. I don't even know what that is for. But it's Haunted Mansion. Come on, has anybody ever seen a queue for Haunted Mansion like that before? That's 3 hours easy, yeah, I agree. Wish us luck, and let's hope the queue is not too big.
75 minutes? That would be nice.
Hello, do you know how long the queue is for this one?
This one, Enchanted Beauty and the Beast. Every time 140 minutes.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, babe. Look, it looks like something's been scratching at the door. So cool.
1 hour 30 minutes. 2 hours 5 minutes. So far.
And you're falling asleep. We're almost there. We believe.
王子様は謝ろうとしましたが手遅れでした。魔女、罰として王子様を恐ろしい野獣の姿に変え、
こんにちは。あなた、誰なの？
Cool. That better not be it. Oh, wow. It's a ride.
It's like a ratatouille.
くりおかけになってお城のキッチンが腕によりをかけました。ディナーを。野獣をやっつけろ。
お願い、私を置いていかないで。愛してるわ。
僕だよ。
あなたなのね。
That was worth it. 2 hours, 20 minutes waiting time.
That was good.
Positive one. Look at the view behind us. The theming for this one, for this
beautiful.
ride is great.
This theme park is so much better than DisneySea.
Yeah.
Look at that, beautiful waterfall. Okay, let's go. Made it to Lilo and Stitch. Apparently it's only in Japanese. We got told that. No, we're so sorry, no English, only Japanese. That's perfectly fine. Everything else is Japanese. It'll be interesting. It's not the ride I was thinking it was from the States. It's just like a kid's it's a show. It's a show, isn't it? The guests are the entertainment. They get you to do weird random stuff and it's all in Japanese.
So we stick out.
Hello. How to recover from what the heck we just experienced is to get on a riverboat.
And it's getting cold.
Shivering. So they have some canoes here and we wanted to really do that, didn't we?
Because we've seen people rowing actually.
It looked cool.
I think they were just there closing it.
We're going to do this before this one closes and then hit Big Thunder Mountain. Hopefully. Nice at night time. What are we going on next, babe?
Thunder Mountain. The last ride of the night.
Oh, it's warm here.
Yeah, for sure, man.
We're getting there, babe.
Getting there.
We found a place which does coffee. Tickle's Bill Cafe, right near the castle.
And we're waiting for a parade, which is coming in the next 5 to 10 minutes.
Yeah, should be good.
Coffee.
I deserve a brownie points for this.
There's no queue line now.
It was a full queue line and I had to wait like 10-15 minutes to get the 2 coffees.
2 sugars in?
2 sugars, 2 milks, that's all I got.
Perfect.
They kept laughing at me. 2 of them were working behind the counter and they kept laughing and going, "You like?" And it's like, yeah.
Thank you. That's the end of the night.
We're gonna make it back now. We are tired. We are cold. It's very cold here. It's been a really good day. What did you say?
Yeah, enjoyable.
Yeah. If you only get the opportunity to visit one of the parks, either Tokyo Disneyland or Tokyo DisneySea, definitely come to Tokyo Disneyland.
Disneyland,
Yeah. Even though you might think to yourself, well, I've seen all the Disneylands, it's just better. Like the evening show, if you have to do an evening show, Tokyo DisneySea was better.
Yeah.
A lot better.
Display.
Yeah.
The show.
Going? We go? Alright, sayonara.